Ever seen someone stay calm while everything around them burns? Emails flooding in, people losing it, deadlines crumbling, and they're just still. Not because they're careless, because they've trained for chaos. Most people are the opposite. One passive-aggressive email, rage. One delay, meltdown. One rude look, entire mood destroyed. Their peace is free for the taking. But you're about to take it back. After this, calm won't just be something you admire. It'll be your default setting. The first shift is understanding your brain isn't broken when it overreacts. It's ancient, designed for survival. A threat meant danger, maybe even death. Today, it's just someone interrupting you in a meeting. But your brain doesn't know that. It hits the same alarm. That first spike of emotion isn't weakness, it's instinct. But what you do next, that's power. And here's what most people miss. Not everything is personal. That person ignoring you, probably overwhelmed. That annoyed glance, probably not even about you. But we turn everything into a story. They don't like me. They're mad at me. The truth, it's rarely about you. People project their stress, their fear, their insecurity, and you don't have to catch what they throw. Let it bounce. Say it. Not my energy, not my weight. Start thinking of your emotional energy like currency. Would you spend $100 responding to a troll online? No? Then don't spend your peace on people or problems that don't matter. Calm is conservation. Every time you don't react, you're telling your brain, we protect peace here, and people will notice. That's when things get interesting, because drama addicts hate when you stop feeding them. The ones who push your buttons, they either change or vanish. You'll be called distant, cold, different. But what they're really saying is, you're not giving me free access to your energy anymore. This isn't detachment, it's strength. Real calm is earned. Like a muscle, it's built through reps. Let them cut in line. Stay silent. Let someone correct you. No need to clap back. Each moment is training. Each pause is power gained. And suddenly, things that used to trigger you, they barely register. And here's the real magic. Calm isn't about controlling the world. It's about mastering your response to it. You won't stop chaos, but you'll stop it from reaching you. So next time someone tests your patience, pause, breathe, smile. You've got more important places to invest your energy. Now tell me, what's one situation that always steals your calm? Drop it in the comments and let's level up together. And if this hit home, subscribe for more. Your focus deserves protection. Your mind deserves peace.